there, mama. Welcome back to the channel where I help you prep for the most amazing journey of your life. That's right, becoming a mom. Today, we're diving into week 12 of pregnancy. Can you believe it? You're officially at the end of your first trimester. Let's talk about what's happening in your body, what's happening with your baby, and some cool tips to help you thrive this week. So, grab a snack, get comfy, and let's do this. All right, let's start with the little superstar growing inside of you. Your baby is about the size of a lime this week, just over 2 inches long and weighing almost half an ounce. I know it's tiny, but very mighty. Their facial features are becoming more defined. Things like tiny lips, nose, and even a little chin are taking shape. And get this, their reflexes are kicking in. If you poke your belly, gently of course, your baby might wiggle around. How cool is that? Their intestines are moving into their proper place. And here's one of my favorite fun facts. Their vocal cords are forming. So while they won't be belting out lullabies for a while, they're getting ready for those first cries. Okay, let's talk about you, mama. By week 12, a lot of those first trimester symptoms like nausea and exhaustion are starting to ease up. Hallelujah, right? Your energy might be making a comeback, and you're probably noticing that cute little baby bump starting to show. Say hello to stretch pants, your new best friend. Here's something you might not hear a lot about. As your uterus grows, it's actually lifting up and out of your pelvis. This takes some of the pressure off of your bladder, so you might not feel the need to pee every 5 minutes. However, don't stop drinking water. Staying hydrated is still super important. Now, let's be real for a second. Pregnancy emotions can be a lot. 1 minute you're laughing at TikTok and the next you're crying because you ran out of your favorite snack. Listen, all of that is totally normal. Your hormones are doing their thing. So my tip for you is to keep a journal. Writing down your thoughts can be super grounding, and it's also a sweet keepsake to look back on later. Let's do some rapid fire tips to make week 12 awesome. Are you ready? Number 1, prenatal vitamins. Keep taking them. Your baby needs all those nutrients for healthy growth. Number 2, exercise. If you're feeling up to it, light exercise like walking or prenatal stretches can boost your mood and energy. Number 3, appointments. Make sure you schedule your next prenatal visit. At week 12, some moms get the nuchal translucency scan, which checks on your baby's development. Number 4, start thinking ahead. If you're considering a childbirth or breastfeeding class, like mine, now's a great time to start researching. Number 5, enjoy your food. This is the time when cravings might kick in. So listen to your body, but try to sneak some healthy options alongside the pickles and ice cream. Before we wrap up, I just want to say you're doing an amazing job, mama. Week 12 is a big milestone, so you should be proud of yourself. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to feel during pregnancy. Just take it one day at a time. And hey, since we're birthing besties, drop a check mark below to check in with me and confirm that you have your next prenatal visit on the calendar. I'd love to hear from you. All right, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more week-by-week guides and tips. See you in the next video, and remember, you've got this, mama.